Thanks. Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
And I echo that. You know, in all our interviews, I was, you know, how we're just one big fucked up family, and you know, this is such a bittersweet experience. You know, I prefer living in denial, so I hate shit like this because it makes it difficult. So, but you know, you know, I love everyone at this table, and we have an amazing crew. You know, and here's the thing I'm most grateful for is that I walk through our set, and you know, I know that that everybody wants to be there, and everyone's really grateful, and everyone likes to show up to work, and that's really, you know, that's the gift for me. So thank you.